Yo, what's up everybody? Today we're about to dive deep into the world of petroleum jelly. I know, you're probably thinking petroleum jelly, that's boring. But trust me on this one guys, this stuff is more mind-blowing than finding a $20 bill in your old jeans. We've all got that blue tub sitting in our bathroom cabinets, right? Usually reserved for chapped lips or dry skin. But guys, this little tub is holding a secret. Actually, it's holding a ton of secrets. This isn't just your grandma's cure-all anymore. This is like the Swiss Army knife of household products. We're talking life hacks, beauty tips, home improvement tricks, things you'd never believe could be solved with a little dab of petroleum jelly. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to have your minds blown because today, we're uncovering the hidden potential of petroleum jelly. Alright, let's be real for a second. What's the first thing that pops into your head when you see a tub of petroleum jelly? Probably something like basic, boring, or maybe even my grandma's hand cream, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that those thoughts are doing this product a huge disservice. They're straight up misconceptions. Petroleum jelly gets a bad rap because people think it's just this greasy, old-fashioned remedy. They think it's messy, they think it's outdated, and they definitely don't think it has a place in their modern lives. But let me tell you, this stuff is a straight-up legend for a reason. For decades, people have been using petroleum jelly for everything under the sun, and it's time we give it the respect it deserves. Because honestly, this little tub of wonder can do way more than you ever thought possible. We're talking MacGyver-level problem solving here. Think about it, it's been around for ages, passed down through generations. And there's a reason for that. It's effective, it's affordable, and it's probably already sitting in your cabinet just waiting to be unleashed. So, are you ready to ditch those outdated misconceptions and see what this bad boy can really do? Because I'm about to blow your minds with the power of petroleum jelly. Alright, beauty gurus, listen up. You might be surprised to learn that your secret weapon for flawless skin and luscious locks has been hiding in plain sight this whole time. That's right, we're talking petroleum jelly. First up, let's talk about dry, cracked heels. We've all been there, right? It's the worst. But instead of shelling out your hard-earned cash on expensive creams, try this. Slather your feet with a generous amount of petroleum jelly before bed, put on some socks, and wake up to baby soft feet. Seriously, it's like magic. And speaking of magic, did you know petroleum jelly can make your eyelashes look longer and thicker? Just dip a clean mascara wand into the tub and apply it to your lashes like you normally would. The petroleum jelly conditions your lashes and gives them a subtle shine. But wait, there's more. Petroleum jelly is also a lifesaver for dry cuticles. Massage a small amount into your cuticles before bed, and you'll wake up with hydrated, healthy-looking nails. And if you're struggling with dry, chapped lips, well, you already know petroleum jelly is a godsend. But here's a pro tip. Mix it with a little bit of your favorite lipstick for a custom-tinted lip balm. And for all my makeup lovers out there, petroleum jelly can even remove stubborn waterproof mascara without irritating your delicate eye area. Just put a little on a cotton pad and gently wipe away your makeup, see? I told you petroleum jelly was a beauty MVP. With these simple hacks, you'll be glowing from head to toe. Chapter 3. You can fix that with petroleum jelly? Alright guys, put down the duct tape and step away from the superglue because I'm about to show you how petroleum jelly can solve all your home repair dilemmas. First up, squeaky doors. We all know that annoying sound, right? But instead of grabbing that WD-40, try this. Apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly to the hinges and watch the squeaks disappear like magic. And speaking of annoying sounds, how about that sticky drawer that just won't cooperate? Yep, petroleum jelly can fix that too. Just rub a small amount on the drawer tracks and it'll slide open and close like a dream. But wait, there's more. Petroleum jelly can also protect your tools from rust. Just coat them with a thin layer of petroleum jelly before you store them, and they'll stay in tip-top shape. And if you're struggling to get a stubborn ring off your finger, don't panic. Just apply a little petroleum jelly to your finger and twist the ring gently. The petroleum jelly will act as a lubricant, making it easier to remove the ring without damaging your skin. And for all my DIY enthusiasts out there, petroleum jelly can even prevent paint from sticking to surfaces you don't want painted. Just apply a thin layer to the areas you want to protect, and you're good to go. See? I told you petroleum jelly was a home repair hero. With these simple hacks, you'll be tackling those pesky household problems like a pro. Chapter 4. Don't call 911, grab the petroleum jelly. Alright everyone, let's get real for a second. Accidents happen, and when they do, it's important to be prepared. But what if I told you that your first line of defense against minor injuries could be found right in your bathroom cabinet? That's right. We're talking about petroleum jelly. This unassuming little tub is actually a secret weapon when it comes to first aid. Don't believe me? Just keep watching. First up, let's talk about cuts and scrapes. We've all been there, right? But instead of reaching for that antibiotic ointment, try this. Clean the wound thoroughly, then apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly. It'll create a barrier that helps keep the wound moist, preventing scabbing and promoting faster healing. And speaking of healing, did you know petroleum jelly can also help soothe minor burns? If you've got a little burn that's not too serious, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly to the affected area. It'll help cool the burn, reduce pain, and prevent scarring. But wait, there's more. Petroleum jelly is also a lifesaver for chapped noses from blowing your nose too much. We all know that feeling during cold and flu season. Your nose is raw and irritated and nothing seems to help. Well, reach for that tub of petroleum jelly. Apply a small amount to the inside of your nostrils and it'll help soothe the irritation and prevent further chapping. And if you're struggling with dry, cracked skin, petroleum jelly can come to the rescue again. Apply a generous amount to the affected area, and it'll help lock in moisture and promote healing. See, I told you petroleum jelly was a first aid all-star. With these simple tips, you'll be prepared for whatever bumps and bruises life throws your way. Chapter 5. The wildest thing I've ever used petroleum jelly for. Alright guys, you've seen how petroleum jelly can be used for beauty, home repair, and even first aid. But I've saved the best for last. Get ready for this one because I'm about to blow your mind with the most unexpected use of petroleum jelly ever. Are you ready for it? You can actually use petroleum jelly to remove chewing gum from hair. Yeah, you heard that right. We've all been there, right? That dreaded moment when you realize you've got gum stuck in your hair and you're one step away from grabbing the scissors. But don't panic. Petroleum jelly is here to save the day. Just apply a generous amount of petroleum jelly to the gum and the surrounding hair. Work it in gently and the gum will slide right out. No more tears, no more haircuts, just pure gum-free bliss. I told you this stuff was a game changer. Who would have thought that the same product you use to moisturize your lips could also be used to remove chewing gum from hair? It just goes to show that petroleum jelly is truly the most versatile product on the planet. Petroleum jelly, the undisputed champion. Well, there you have it, folks. We've gone from basic to mind-blowing, proving that petroleum jelly is a true jack of all trades. From beauty hacks to home repairs, first aid fixes, and even that crazy chewing gum trick, this little tub of wonder does it all. So next time you're facing a problem, don't underestimate the power of petroleum jelly. It might just surprise you with its versatility and effectiveness. And hey, if you've got any crazy petroleum jelly uses of your own, drop them in the comments below. I'm always down to try new things. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Until next time, stay amazing.